Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss once again methods of factoring. So there are 10 methods of factoring, and the first one is factoring by grouping. Okay, so normally when we factor the given expression or algebraic expression, we have to find the GCF if we are doing it by factoring by grouping. Okay, for example, if we're given 2x squared minus 5x minus 3. So this expression, if you group them, so it's not easy to group. So there are times that we need to manipulate the given expression. Like the given one can be written as 2x squared minus 6x plus 1x minus 3. Right? Because minus 6x plus 1x is just equal to minus 5x. And then we can group. So we can group these two terms here, and let's group this another two terms. And then after that, we find the GCF, the greatest common factor of each group. If we can find, so for example, this group, the greatest common factor here, the GCF is equal to 2x, right? So what we need to do when you find the GCF, you just divide the terms, each term by the GCF. Okay, so this 2x squared divided by 2x, so we have x, right? And then if you divide 6x minus 2x, we have minus 3. Okay? And then plus, this can be written as, we can put the 1 outside, x minus 3. So they're just the same because 1x, if you multiply this by, if you put the 1 outside the parenthesis, when you multiply, so 1 times x is x, 1 times negative 3, negative 3. So these are just the same. They are just the same. Then after that, we look at the groups because we have two groups now. Or we can consider this as one group or one term. This is another group or another term. So if you look at this as a whole, so this can be considered as one term. This one is another term. And then after that, find the common for its term, the GCF of its term. So we can say that here we have, in the first group, we have x minus 3. In the other group, we have x minus 3. So that's the common. So you factor that out, put it inside the parenthesis, then make another parenthesis. After that, this term, divide this by x minus 3, which is the common of both terms. So when you divide this by this, so what is left is only 2x. Then we have here the sign plus. So when you divide this by this one, then what is left is equal to 1. So these are the factors. So that's how easy to factor by grouping. Okay, that's all. Thank you. And then I'll give you another example in the next video.